Welcome to the second tutorial for DU eLibrary. In this one, we'll give you an overview of all the ebook collections that reside on the platform. DU eLibrary has more than 84,000 ebooks, including the latest centenary ebook collection and digital archives, featuring more than 18 world-renowned publishers that cover thousands of topics from more than 28 subjects and disciplines. Now, let's have a look at them on the platform. You can browse ebooks on DU eLibrary in multiple ways. You can go to e-resources section and click on ebooks under browse by media section. You can filter them by accessibility. As you can see, there are more than 84,000 subscribed ebooks from multiple publishers which are listed here. You can also browse for ebooks published by a specific publisher using this by publisher section. Let's have a look at few of them. From Bloomsbury, we have more than 87 titles. To read an ebook, just hover on top of the ebook and click on this read button, and you'll be navigated on the publisher platform. You don't need to do any parallel login on the publisher website. You will be automatically authenticated and you can read the complete ebook or read it by chapter. Click on the chapter and you will be able to read the full text, both in HTML format, and you can also download the PDF on your machine. It's as simple as that. Moving on to the next publisher. From Cambridge University Press, the eLibrary features close to 9,700 titles. Again, to read an ebook, just find the title you want to read and click on this read button. You will be automatically authenticated on the publisher platform and you can read the title by chapter, again, both in HTML and PDF format. From Elsevier, we have more than 5,800 ebooks listed on the platform. Click on the read button of any of these ebooks and you can either download the complete book or download the full text of a particular chapter in HTML or in PDF format. Basically, the full text experience that you currently have in the campus through DU eLibrary, it's available to you from anywhere, anytime, and for all the publishers. For Gale, in addition to their ebook titles, there are other primary sources which are basically multimedia subject collections covering different topics. For now, let's just focus on the ebooks that are available through Gale Cengage. Here is the link to Gale ebooks. Click on the read button and you will find the two titles which are subscribed by DU as of now: Encyclopedia of Cybercrime and Encyclopedia of Law Enforcement. Click on these titles and you can read the chapters in each of these books. Click on any of these chapters and you will find the full text in both HTML and PDF format. Moving on to the next publisher. From Sage, there are more than 570 titles. Let's just read one of them. Like the previous publishers, you can again read this particular Sage title by chapter, both in HTML and you can download the PDF version too. From Springer, we have the most number of ebooks. There are close to 57,000 ebooks licensed from Springer, covering all the subjects, all the disciplines. It's a massive, massive collection of reference and textbooks. I'll open one of these ebooks for your reference. I'll open this one, the Game Theory and Post-War American Literature. I'm navigated to the publisher platform, and I can either download the complete book or read a particular chapter, both in HTML and PDF format. It's a very seamless experience for all the ebook publishers. From Taylor & Francis, there are more than 2,800 ebooks listed on the platform, and you can read their full text as well. I'll just open again one ebook for your reference. On your top right, the full text button for downloading the full text in PDF format appears in, it takes a couple of seconds, and you can click on this download button. And since DU has already licensed this title, you can read the complete book in PDF format. You can also read the book by chapter, and the chapters are listed here. From Wiley, there are close to 4,200 plus ebooks on the platform. Again, let's just read one of these titles just to show you the full text experience on the publisher platform. If you go down, you'll see that all the chapters, you will have full text access available to you, provided you go through DU eLibrary. You'll have 100% full text access for all the titles. I'll just click on the PDF option where I can download the complete book or a particular chapter. And as you can see, it's pretty seamless. I'll just give you a quick overview of some of the other publishers from where we have ebooks licensed on the platform. Like from Brill, there are 18 ebook titles. From DeGrooter, there are 63 ebooks. From EBSCO, there are 15 ebooks. And from Elgar Online, there are 16 titles. From Institute of Physics, there are 19 ebooks. MIT Press, 3 titles. Orient Black Swan, there are 5 ebooks. Sage eVidya, which is a very good collection of ebooks from all the renowned Indian authors. There are 73 titles. And finally, from University Press Online, there are 88 titles. Apart from browsing these ebooks by publisher or by format, you can also search for these ebooks using the basic search bar available here on the top. So I'm performing a simple search for cybercrime. The eLibrary lists all the e-resources related to my query. Many of them are subscribed. I apply this filter, and I can also apply a filter for showing just ebooks. I can use other filters like I can filter results set by publisher or by year of publication. Let's say I'm only interested in ebooks for 2022. I can use that filter. So you can perform keyword searches and look for content. In fact, you can also localize your search to a particular media type. In this case, let's say I've selected ebooks from this drop down, and I've added a separate query to the search bar. And as soon as I click on the search button, I get only ebooks related to my search query. There are close to 1800 titles related to postmodernism on the platform, and I can read all these titles through the library. There are many other search options available, which we will cover in the other tutorials. For now, we recommend you visit the eLibrary and take maximum advantage of the massive collection of ebooks that the platform has. Happy reading.